Adjustable Pylex 32-inch installation. When the deck is too low to use the adjustable Pylex 50-inch, use the adjustable Pylex 32-inch. Remove and discard wing nut. It is used only for transportation. Remove the adjustable head and unscrew the adjustment nut completely. Insert the adjustable head in the square tube. It is strongly suggested to use a half-inch rebar for two reasons. It will help to discover rock or root in the ground, and secondly, as the Pylex tube is empty, it will be used as a guide to screw in the pile as straight as possible. Then, with a sharp blow, push the Pylex into the ground to the cutting edge of the disc. Stir it in the soil by hand a few times to bury the disc. When it gets too hard to be manually installed, insert a 2x4 in the U-shaped bracket and circle around to screw the Pylex in soil. To go below the thrust line, you must use the 24-inch extension with the adjustable Pylex 32-inch. Keep screwing until the bottom of the U will be approximately 12 inches from the soil. Hit with a mast 3 or 4 good shot in the U-shaped bracket to check soil compaction. If the Pylex does sink by 4 inches or more, it is strongly suggested to use a 24-inch extension for better compaction under the disc. Otherwise, your soil has a good compaction. You can continue to screw until the bottom of the U-shaped bracket is 6 inches above the soil. Then, again, hit with a mast 3 or 4 times inside the U-shaped bracket to ensure optimal soil compaction below the disc. Once the adjustable Pylex is in place, remove the adjustable head and screw the adjustment nut to the 3D rod and replace the adjustable head in place. Attach the 4x4 in the U-shaped bracket and screw the Pylex with screws on each side. We recommend to use 5/16 by 2 inch wood screws. Keep a distance of 4 to 6 inches between the underside of the U-shaped bracket and the ground. Sandy soil, leave 4 inches, and clay soil, leave 6 inches. Leave a minimum of 3 inches of 3D rod inside the tube. To level, about 3 inches adjustment, screw or unscrew the nut.